Good morning, this is Peter Booker, and today I'm going to give the forecast for Lynchburg, Virginia on March the 11th, 2018. I want to talk about two things tonight. I want to talk about how low pressure actually forms, as well as the snowstorm that's hitting in our direction on Monday morning. Now, currently in Lynchburg, we have a temperature of 40 degrees. Our dew point is 31. This makes for a relative humidity of 70%. The winds are calm, and the barometric pressure showing 30.01 inches and falling. So what is low pressure? Low pressure forms from particles of air moving in a clockwise flow around its center. And because of low density, this allows for, let's say, the particles to begin to rise. And as they do so, they cool and they actually form clouds. In contrast, high pressure is sinking air. And this is due to higher density, relatively speaking. And as the particles begin to sink, they move outward from its center in a counterclockwise flow. Now, in terms of low pressure, this is typically when we see clouds form, and this is when we have parcels, or let's say even pockets of air, begin to rise and they begin to cool. And as they do so, they approach what is called this dew point level. And this is the level in which the dew point matches the temperature, and therefore the creation of clouds takes place. Now, getting to the radar tonight, we can see snowfall as well as rain. Showers and thunderstorms are occurring over the southeast at this time, and further to the north we can see snowfall over the upper Midwest, as well as, let's say, locations to the east over, let's say, upstate New York, where some lake effect snow is occurring tonight. As far as temperatures for tomorrow afternoon, we can see highs in the upper 40s over much of the mid-Atlantic. Locations to the north, let's say over upstate New York, as well as locations to the west over the Dakotas, will be in the 30s. The forecast map for Sunday shows a cold front extending from the Atlantic Ocean back into Texas, and in between we have two low pressure systems over Mississippi, as well as off the coast of South Carolina. Now pay attention to these by Monday morning and how close to contact they actually come by then. In fact, they're right next to each other, and their moisture and combined energies will likely merge by 7 a.m. on Monday morning and provide the heavy snowfall over western Virginia. Now, as far as snowfall amounts in our region, we'll likely see anywhere from 2 to 4 inches west of Richmond. And as you head, let's say, north and west of Lynchburg, some locations could pick up 4 to 6 inches of snowfall. And the same thing is true for locations west of Roanoke. As much as 7 inches could fall here. The 3-day forecast for Central Virginia on Sunday will have a high of 44 and a low of 32 under cloudy skies. Into Monday, we'll see increasing cloudiness and a chance of snow by early in the morning, a high of 38 and a low of 32. Snowfall will likely continue until late afternoon before clearing begins to take place Monday night. Now, by Tuesday, we'll have sunny conditions with a high of 44 and a low of 27. And these cool conditions will likely last throughout the week next week before warming conditions arrive for, let's say, late next weekend. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's forecast. Please visit weathermarshal.com if you do get a chance, and have a great weekend.